making a sorbet with Melissa's Charentais melons. Charentais melons taste like cantaloupe but sweeter. Cut the melon up into chunks. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to blend it up. So then we're going to put the Charentais melons on a platter with plastic wrap on it. We're going to freeze it overnight. Now our Charentais melon is frozen. Now we're going to put it in the blender. Next we're going to add a pinch of salt, a few mint leaves, then we're going to blend it up until smooth. Now it's time to try it. It's great. It's creamy, fruity. It's really good. The mint and salt really bring out the flavor. It's very refreshing. It's a healthy snack. I'm Chef Garrett, and have a melony day.